Welcome to English in a Minute. Pie is a delicious dessert. There are so many different flavors. Lemon, cherry, banana cream. But what could the idiom pie in the sky mean? Pedro is finally moving to Hollywood to follow his acting dream. He's been talking about that for years. His plans are just pie in the sky. His YouTube channel has over 4 million subscribers. 4 million? Anything pie in the sky could be great, but probably won't happen. As an adjective, pie in the sky describes plans, dreams, goals that are unlikely to become reality.